Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your browser or Google Play Store in Samsung Galaxy A20s. And to do this, first let's try to download something from Google Play Store. So let's go with this game right here. If we click on install, it starts in a pending mode and it's stuck like this forever. Let's cancel it for now and move on to the browser. I'm gonna use Google Chrome for that. So here we have our website, and if we try to refresh or go from empty space to it, we have this error as well. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, go all the way down and find General Management, enter date and time, and here set automatic date and time. If you go back to your Google Play Store and try to install the game again, it begins the download. And the same is with Google Chrome, and if we refresh the page, it works fine now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.